hey, when I go on a trip, I like to make a map of the different places I'd like to go to. This helps me group what I'm going to do in a day. Our end product here is going to look something like this. We're going to have a map that shows the locations that we'd like to visit. We're also going to have a short table that has 5 attractions we'd like to go to, a description written about it, and a picture. We're going to do this on the OneNote page called Attractions Map, Google Earth. And you'll see that you have a table here that has nothing in it. You're going to pick out 5 places from your city that you'd like to visit. To do that, there's a website called TripAdvisor here. And you'll type in the name of your city. For mine, I will do Tokyo. And when you search a city on TripAdvisor, you usually want to scroll down past a lot of these things that are more or less ads, and go down to where it says top attractions in Tokyo. And you'll know when you see these little numbers in the corner. These are ones that people have rated highly. I'd skip past this first one here. This is the Tourist Information Center, so you might go there if you need help, but it's not somewhere that you would be really excited to go to. If I scroll down here, I can see some different interesting places here, and if it shows the top 10, but if I click see more, I can go past that. Here's one that I've been interested in seeing, the Meiji Jinju Shrine, and I'll click on that. And it tells me a little bit about it. What I'll do now is go back to my OneNote, type in the name of it, and I need a short description and a picture. Sometimes TripAdvisor is good for this, sometimes it's not. What is good for this is Wikipedia. The pictures on Wikipedia are Creative Commons, so we can use them freely. And Wikipedia is a great place to go when you want to just learn a little bit about something in general. Here we are. For my picture, I can grab this one. I'll click on it, right-click on it, copy image, put it into my box here. And for my short description, I'll go back to Wikipedia here. Read a little bit about it. And once I've read about it, I can write a short description. So I'll write, this is a Shinto shrine located in central Tokyo. Okay. Now eventually I'll have 5, like I have right here in this example. And let's skip ahead to marking these on Google Earth. I'm using Google Earth Pro here. This is an app installed on your computer, so you'll have to search for it down in the search bar. This is not a website. This one's nice because you can mark places and save them. So I've got my Earth here. I can grab it, I can spin it around, I can zoom in and out with my mouse wheel, or I can use this bar over here. Really cool program. Let's start by looking for the Tokyo Skytree here. So I'll go to this box right here, Tokyo Skytree. And I'll click search. And it might take a little while, it might be loading up that place, but it will eventually zoom into your location. Sometimes it's got a cool 3D version of it there. Tokyo Skytree is a huge tower here, and it's taken us right to it. Once you're there, you can click on this little push pin here, and it will come to this window asking you what you want to name it. So I'll name it what that location is, Tokyo Skytree, and I'll press OK. And it's a little hard to see, but there's a little yellow push pin right there, and I've marked that spot. So let's mark another one. Let's go with the Meiji Jinju Shrine. Goes across Tokyo here to Meiji Jinju. Again, we'll press the push pin. Press OK, and it leaves a little marker there. If I were to zoom out, I can see my two push pins here, and I can start to get an idea of how far apart things are. Once you have all 5 of your push pins marked, you can actually clean up this map a little bit by unchecking some of these layer boxes down here. So if I uncheck these things, it's a little bit cleaner. But once you've got all 5, you want to zoom out to a view that shows all 5, and then you want to take a screen clipping. Remember, our screen clipping key combo is the Windows key, Shift, and S. Your screen will go kind of foggy, and you draw a box around the map you want. It copies it. I'm going to go back to my OneNote, go down to this box right here, and paste my map. Now remember, this is not a finished map. It only has 2 locations. You would want all 5 on there. There's one last thing here. Use the measure tool in Google Earth. What is the total distance between all your attractions? Don't forget to write the units. Let's go check out how to do that. Up here at the top, there's a ruler. You can click on that. And we actually want to switch it over to path. I want to change the units here too. Centimeters is not really useful for measuring this large of a distance. Something like kilometers or miles are better. I'll go with miles because I'm pretty used to those as an American. And I'll start by clicking here at this push pin. And then clicking next on Tokyo Skytree. Oh, I think I missed my first click there. So maybe I'll start at Tokyo Skytree, click over here, there we go. And it's telling me that that's 6.51 miles. With all 5 of your attractions, you'd want to connect all 5 of them, so you might make a path that connects all 5, and it will tell you your total distance here. You just need one number, one distance between all 5 of them. That comes back here. Let me remember my number here, 13.28. And that was in miles. When you're done, check off these boxes here to see if you've got all the points. 15 points for the table of attractions, where you get 1 point for each place chosen. 2 to 3 sentence description of the attraction written in your own words. So I might want to improve this here. This is only a 1 sentence description. I need a little bit more information there. Picture of the attraction. 12 points for the screen clipping of the completed map. And then 3 points for the distance between attractions with units. Good luck, you guys. Hope you have fun making your maps.